Myriam Coronado. I am a student from ESL, and I want to say thank you to Restore Education for still open in this difficult time. And I want to say thank you to all the teachers. They are hard workers. They provide to us materials to continue our classes. And I want to say thank you too for the gift cards. It's really motivated to take the classes online, and we have classes with Zoom and English Burlington, Ventures online too, and it's wonderful opportunity to continue the English classes.